This is a short video to show you how to do a definite integral on a calculator. I've got the definite integral of this function square root of 6x minus x squared, and there's a picture of it. We want this area. I chose this one both because it's on the homework assignment I'm about to go over, and because it's pretty obvious what that area is. It's going to be half the area of a circle, and the circle has a radius of 3, so it'll be pi times 3 squared, and then divided by 2. So you can check that this is right. If you're using a TI-nspire, you want a calculator page, which is like control, insert page, and then calculator. You get this. You get this. And that command is in the templates menu. The template menu is this one. If you choose that, it's this one here that looks like an integral with boxes to put things in. This is why it's called the template menu. It's a template with places to insert things. And if I choose that, it looks exactly like this with just type stuff in. So you would read this, the integral from 0 to 6 of this function dx, and if you tab through the cells, it will go through them in the order you would say them. So the integral from 0, tab, to 6, tab, of the function, the square root of 6x minus x squared, tab. It took me there. That got out of the square root. One more tab will take me to the dx location. And that's the answer. If you want that to be a decimal instead of, this is a CAS, and currently the CAS is turned on. So if you want that to be a decimal instead of an exact answer, the little approximate sign over the enter, control, enter will get you the approximate value. It's also possible on the graph, which is here someplace, to get the graph shaded in and give you an area there. It's not my first choice, but it's helpful for a visual here. If you go to Menu and Analyze Graph, then Integral is the command that will get you a shaded thing. And it asks you for a lower bound, it'll ask for an upper bound. You can, move the cursor and click, but it's probably better just to type the lower bound of 0, it puts it in, and then enter, and then type the upper bound of 6 and enter. And here it gets an answer of 14.1. Now, the default on this calculator is to do what they call float 3, which is sort of like 3 significant digits. You can see 14.1 is correct. On an AP Calculus exam, you'd need 3 decimal places instead. And to get that, if you hover over that number so it turns gray, just the text turns gray, and then press the plus sign, you can get more digits, or minus will take them away. So it's possible to get the number of digits you want on the screen. This is on a TI-84, for instance. You can't always rely on this. You're better off to do it on this screen, although it did work this time.